trip. What is the best part about road trips? Pit stops. I'll tell you, pit stops. We're honestly just playing everything by ear. I just know one of the big stops we want to go to is Eddie World. It's supposed to be the biggest gas station in California. I don't know if it's the most exciting thing in the world, but it makes me look forward to this road trip as we get towards our destination. And then everything else, I think, probably gonna grab a little drink here, a little bite to eat there, and we'll see what comes. Woo, there it is. Eddie World, Eddie World. We're here at Eddie World. Woo, it is blazing outside. You also know you've made it here when you see, is that a cupcake? What is that? Oh, an ice cream sundae. When you see the ice cream sundae, you know you're at Eddie World. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it's ginormous in here. It's like a mini mall. Just kidding, I don't know about mini mall. All right, so there's a lot of things going on in here. So to the way left, as soon as you come in, you're gonna see Pete's Coffee. So everyone will go there for a cup of joe. And then as we work our way clockwise, then there's a place called Jedediah's Jerky, where I was offered some samples and it was pretty great. Then the main event is smack dab down in the middle, 12 o'clock. There is the food court, and I heard that their chicken tenders and the pizza is actually phenomenal. Then as we go, there's a random Lakers corner, this whole beverage bar, and then a caramel corn little shop area, and then to the way right is their homemade ice cream area, and everything else in the middle is random things. It's like candy, toys. I saw Harry Potter right back there. This is like a one-stop shop for people who want everything, I guess. Oh my gosh, I love these. Yeah, it's a lot. It's kind of overwhelming. All right, we just ordered a 3-piece chicken tender meal because they're known for it. So we're gonna grab all that here. Excited! There's like a seating area over here, so we're gonna situate ourselves maybe up there. Oh, there's more. Oh, but I don't think we need that. Oh. I think this gas station is a really big fan of Michael Jackson. That's all that's been bumping up in here. Okay, the food is here. It looks like a handsome little thing of chicken tenders, fries, biscuit, and a sauce that you get. Let's see how this tastes. I feel like I'm very curious about the sauce.
Yeah, he was raving about the sauce.
Yeah.
It's homemade.
Oh yeah?
Sauces are homemade.
All sauces are homemade. This is my fry test. Zip it a little bit. Okay, that's it. The sauce is kind of like mustardy a little. Okay, and now for the tendies. Oh, hot. Oh my gosh, it's really good.
How do you compare it to like a Raisin Cane or something like that?
Oh, it's so much better than Raisin Cane. It's super juicy. It's like, do you see the seasoning on this thing? It's a handsome looking piece of chicken. Oh yeah. They charge like $8.99 for this, for a 3-piece with fries and a biscuit. Kind of pricey. I guess they don't charge it as a meal, but I think it's worth trying, especially if you're a fan of chicken tenders. Oh, good. And every time I know the truth. Oh my gosh, the from the chicken and the breading. It's not all breading, folks. It's majority chicken. Holy, look at that. Last stop at Pete's before we leave Eddie World. Wait, is it Eddie World or Eddie's World?
Eddie World.
Oh, Eddie World.
And in my eyes I fall asleep. Your gracious
Ooh, it's hot. Ready. Bye, Eddie World. Pretty sure we've been calling you Eddie's World this whole time. Pit stop 1 done. Peace. Peace, Eddie World.